There's nothing fun about watching your favorite necklace snap or realizing your ring suddenly feels loose. When something meaningful breaks, it can feel like a tiny heartbreak. If you have been searching for jewelry near me, jewelry repair around me, or the nearest jewelry shop, you are already taking the right first step. Jewelry repairs are far more common, far more doable, and far less stressful when you understand how the process works. This guide walks you through the full experience of repairing jewelry, from the moment you walk into a shop to when you get your piece back, good as new. Whether you are exploring jewelry stores, comparing them in Arcadia, or deciding where to take your favorite ring or necklace, this breakdown will help you feel confident and prepared. Why jewelry repair really matters. Most people don't think about jewelry repair until something goes wrong. The truth is, even the most well-made jewelry needs attention over time. Metal thins, prongs wear down, stones loosen, clasps get tired, and chains break from daily use. If you have been searching for jewelry in Arcadia or a reliable Arcadia jewelry repair shop, it is probably because a small issue has already started to show. Jewelry carries emotional weight. It reminds you of people, milestones, relationships, and celebrations. These pieces often represent moments you cannot replace. Taking them to professional jewelry stores for repair is about more than fixing metal. It is about protecting memories. Regular inspections and maintenance prevent bigger problems in the future. Many people assume their jewelry is fine until something breaks. A quick visit to one of the reputable jewelry stores in Arcadia can save you from losing a stone or damaging a setting later. The most common jewelry repairs. When you walk into a professional Arcadia jewelry repair shop, you might be surprised by how many things can be fixed. Here are the repairs jewelers handle most often. Ring resizing. If your ring feels too tight or too loose, resizing solves the problem. Jewelers carefully adjust the band by adding or removing metal and then polishing the piece so it looks untouched. Many people search for jewelry near me for this exact reason. Prong repair and retipping prongs are the tiny arms that hold your stones in place. When they wear down or flatten out, your stone becomes vulnerable. A skilled jeweler can rebuild or reshape prongs so your diamond or gemstone is completely secure. This is a very common request in Arcadia jewelry repair shops. Chain and clasp repair. Necklaces and bracelets often break at the weakest points, usually where links thin out or clasps start sticking. Jewelers can solder the break, reinforce a weak area, or replace the clasp entirely. If you have been searching for jewelry repair around me, this fix is probably what you need. Stone resetting or replacement. If your stone popped out, do not panic. Jewelers can reset it or find a similar replacement. Even heirloom stones can often be saved. A trusted Arcadia jewelry repair shop can bring the piece back to life. Deep cleaning and polishing. Sometimes jewelry simply needs a professional cleaning. Dirt, lotion residue, oils, and daily wear slowly dull the shine. A proper cleaning at a local shop that offers jewelry in Arcadia can make a piece look brand new again. The jewelry repair process. Explain. If you have never taken a piece in for repair, the process might seem mysterious. Here is a simple explanation of what happens when you drop off your jewelry. Step 1. Inspection. A jeweler examines your jewelry closely, usually with magnification. They look for cracks, thinning areas, loosened stones, worn prongs, and anything else that needs attention. If you have been searching for jewelry repair around me, this thorough check is the first thing they will do. Step 2. Assessment and recommendations. The jeweler will explain what is wrong in clear, simple language. You will learn what repairs are necessary, what is optional, and what might become an issue later. Great jewelry stores always walk you through the plan before touching your piece. Step 3. Documentation. Your item gets logged into the shop's system. They record stones, markings, metals, and any other details. This protects you and ensures your piece is handled correctly. Step 4. The repair work. This is where the real craftsmanship happens. Depending on the repair, the jeweler may reshape metal, rebuild prongs, solder chains, replace clasps, set stones, or refinish surfaces. Shops that serve jewelry in Arcadia usually have trained bench jewelers who specialize in delicate, precise work. Step 5. Final review and cleaning. Before returning your jewelry, the shop performs another check to ensure everything is secure. They clean your piece and polish it so it looks freshly restored. A high-quality Arcadia jewelry repair service will always return your piece looking better than when you brought it in. Choosing the right jewelry. Repair shop. Searching for jewelry stores in Arcadia or jewelry near me brings up a lot of options. Here are the qualities that separate great jewelry stores from the rest. They have experienced bench jewelers. A jeweler who repairs pieces in-house offers faster and more reliable service. They provide clear pricing. There should never be confusion about what you are paying for. They have positive reviews. A strong reputation is a sign of consistent craftsmanship. They communicate clearly. You should always understand what will be done and why it is needed. Jewelry repair in Arcadia. If you live in Arcadia or the surrounding area, you have probably searched for phrases like jewelry in Arcadia, Arcadia jewelry repair, or nearest jewelry more times than you expected. Arcadia has a strong jewelry community, and many families keep heirlooms for generations. That makes choosing the right Arcadia jewelry repair shop even more important. Not every shop is equipped for delicate or high-value pieces, and not every jeweler offers the same level of care. A shop might replace a clasp, but not specialize in vintage restoration. Another shop may resize rings, but outsource stone replacement. Doing a little research goes a long way. Why Dorano jewelry should be your first choice. If you want a repair service you can trust, and you are searching for jewelry near me, jewelry stores in Arcadia, jewelry repair around me, or a dependable Arcadia jewelry repair shop, Dorano Jewelry delivers exceptional craftsmanship and customer care. Dorano Jewelry is known for its friendly service, expertise, and genuine passion for restoring meaningful pieces. We offer a wide range of repairs, all done by experienced professionals who understand how sentimental jewelry can be. Whether you need a stone reset, a chain repaired, a ring resized, or a full restoration, our team approaches every repair with precision and respect. If you want your jewelry to last for generations and prefer a shop that treats your pieces like its own, Dorano Jewelry is the place to go. Your jewelry deserves a craftsman who cares. Dorano Jewelry is ready to help you bring your favorite pieces back to life.